I'm really excited to be here, and this is my first time seeing you, and very excited about it. And you keep answering all my questions before I ask them.
Before they come out of your mouth,
Yes.
but not before you project them.
True.
The conversation is sort of irrelevant. So we will have a moment of silence now.
You've spoken today a lot about perception, and I've had this kind of thought that I've expressed to a lot of people over the time that I always thought we kind of live in a bit of a hologram that's just kind of there by what we're focused on. It's kind of I don't know.
What is a hologram?
Just something that we live in this kind of a fluid world that changes with our perceptions.
Well, that is certainly true.
Okay.
Is it your understanding of a hologram that what is apparent in one aspect of it is apparent in broader aspects of it?
Yes.
Sort of like the question that we were just answering about God.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very much so, actually. Yeah, that's
Let's have that moment of silence.
What's that?
Let's have that moment of silence, yeah.
That's that moment of silence. Thank you. And I just got to say, since I've been here, as soon as I've been listening to you speaking, I've just been in such a state of bliss, of joy, and it's fantastic to be here.
Well, what that means is, that there's not a vibrational variance between you and the energy that is us. And so the communication is whole and complete and therefore satisfying. It's what we wish for all of you. We wish that in the same way that you have found harmony with us, that you can also find harmony with the things that you desire, because we are standing there with the things that you desire.
Okay.
You get what we're talking about? So in the same way that you can find harmony with us, if you really allow it, you can find harmony with the things that you desire that we are knowing relative to you. And when there's no separation between you and what you want, then you're moving toward them, and that is where that ultimate satisfaction comes from. That's what we said earlier when we said all satisfaction comes only from this experience of desiring something and moving in the direction of it, you see. So
I'm not 100% sure if I quite grasp that.
well, then let's take another run at it, because we really want you to hear this. So you were non-physical energy, and then you came into this visibility flat. Then you're exploring contrast, which you intended to do, knowing what you don't want, knowing what you do want, sending off rockets of desire, and these rockets of desire are culminating in what we are calling your vibrational reality. Gave it a name, called it a vortex, wrote 2 books about it. Read it. So this vibrational reality is what you have become vibrationally. You may not have allowed yourself to translate it or perceive it through your physical senses entirely, so it hasn't manifested yet in a way that you can pronounce it or ensure it or where others can see it, but it is in the process of becoming, and it does exist. And so the point that we were making with you just now is that standing amidst all of the things that you've asked for, right in the middle of that vibrational reality, is us, is your inner being, is us knowing, which is beyond believing, in you allowing yourself to fully become everything that you've asked for. So if you have the ability, and you do, you just described it, we just witnessed it, if you have the ability to be completely at one with your inner being, and you were doing that, that's what that is, then you must be able to accept everything that's there, all of the cooperative components that are there with your inner being as well, which means you can be or do or have anything that you've put there, you see. If this time-space reality has the wherewithal to inspire you to put it in your vortex, and your inner being stands there as the point of attraction for all of that, and you are a vibrational match to your inner being, then isn't everything else following? Yes. That was our important point, which we've never said more clearly.
Thank you.
Enough?
Yes.
Really good.
Okay.